Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Netflix app and set parental controls, complete guide step by step clearly. To download the Netflix app, start by turning on your device. If you are using an Android device, open the Google Play Store. In the Play Store, tap on the search bar at the top. Type Netflix and press search. Once you find the Netflix app, tap on it to open the download page. Tap the green Install button to begin downloading. For iOS devices, open the App Store. In the App Store, tap on the search icon at the bottom. Type Netflix in the search field and hit Enter. Select the Netflix app from the search results. Tap the Get button to download the app. After the app has downloaded, open it from your home screen. Now that the app is open, sign in with your existing account, or create a new account if needed. To set parental controls, go to your account settings. On the Netflix home screen, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account. Scroll down to the Profile and Parental Controls section. Select the profile you want to set parental controls for. In the chosen profile, look for the option that says Restrict Profile. Tap on it to set restrictions based on maturity ratings. You can choose the appropriate rating for the content you want to allow. If you want additional controls, set a PIN for the profile. Enter the 4-digit PIN you choose and confirm it. Now, save your settings to apply the parental controls. You can return to the main Netflix screen to explore content safely. With these steps completed, you can enjoy Netflix while keeping your kids safe from inappropriate content. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.